Good morning once again. So this morning my Y-split leads for my RCA cables have finally turned up. So although upon hearing it's not the best route in the world by far, because obviously I'm splitting the input voltage to the amps, but I'm learning, I'm having a go, I'm seeing what does what in the real world, and yeah, I don't see any harm in splitting it for now and having a go. So yeah, I've got a bit of work to do. Finally going to get off my ass in the rain and do it. I've got to run some speaker wires from my pretty much the boot to the back doors, and I got to run the RCA cables to the front and put the two splitter leads behind the head unit. So yeah, hopefully here we go. Let's have a crack. Alright, so that's the RCA second one, all ran all the way through the car. Put these trims back together a bit better. Done a bit of a shit job. But yeah, put all this back together. One day I will clean this mess up. Yeah, back together again. More mess behind the head unit, but we move. And now I should have two sets of RCAs to the back. Let's see how we get on. Yeah, back together again. More mess behind the head unit, but we move. And now I should have two sets of RCAs to the back. Let's see how we get on. Right, so I had a mare yesterday, I'm not going to lie. I managed to get everything done, powered up the vibe amp, and I had no high frequencies whatsoever. So I was messing around, playing around for hours and hours and hours. Forgot to record anything because I was having a mare. And then my brother suddenly said to me this morning that my split RCA situation might be causing a problem because I've only got one RCA output on my head unit, which could be a sub only thing, which rang a little bell in my head because I've got a subwoofer control on my head unit, which I think he might be onto something. So I'm now on the way to Hal Frauds to go and buy a line out converter to see how we get on and have a go at that. Put the RCA to a high level input instead of a low level and see if that works. I'm having a mare. Right, so I've managed to get the line out converter in and it's working. Yes, I'm absolutely buzzing. I need to obviously mess around and set it up a bit, but I've finally got amped up speakers. Happy days. So yeah, got there in the end, guys. I have to say, massive shout to Si, because I would have never thought of that, my old mate. And you done me a kipper. It sorted me right out. yeah, if you want to follow more, I got custom enclosure being built next month, a couple of new subs to add, a lot of tuning to get through, and lots of repairs to get through. Thanks for your support. Please subscribe if you want to follow and continue to see more. Cheers, guys.